guys, so we're going to do a joint video today in regards to trying some of these. In regards to obviously theme parks and everything like that, we've seen this one advertised, and this one is from the Cornish Cream Tea Company, but it's a Halloween-esque one. So I'm going to move our pumpkin out of the way this time, which is fine. But basically it is just a Halloween style one, and we thought we would give it a try. So you get some leaflets in there which slid out, but you also get some cookies which are pumpkin shaped. You obviously get your frosted cream, and you get 4 jams, which we will show closer in a minute, and you get 4 teas with you 2 already, and the tea, which I'll show you in a minute, and you get 4 scones, which are ghost shaped, which are really cute. So we're going to try this one. I'm going to put the box here just because it's easier for us to kind of get to. But yeah.
Yeah. So 2 little cards that you've got with it. We've got one here that's actually telling you how to make, or what's in their Cornish pasties. It didn't come with a Cornish pasty this time, but if you did buy it, you can buy a bigger selection that actually has that in, and how to actually cook it as well is written on the back of that one. And the one I've got here, we'll see Happy Halloween, a trick or treat, may your night be sweet on the front. On the back, a nice little poem written for us, you know, from Cornwall's cliffs, both dark and steep, comes a hamper from the deep. Scones and pasties, a chilling brew, a Halloween feast made just for you.
This is kind of cute. The kids will play with this, so that's absolutely fine. I will say it came with 4 of these, and we've already made our tea here, just because it was easier. I didn't really know how else we were going to do that, apart from be really boring. It'd be like the kettle is boiling, so is what it is with that.
But we could put up some extreme tea making footage potentially.
So first of all, we're going to try our cookies because we have our tea ready. So these are, I'm pretty sure they are just sugar cookies. Let's have a look. They are sugar cookies. Obviously I don't really think they necessarily do one that isn't safe for allergies. These do have wheat in it, soy, involved here, milk, stuff like that. But excuse me. But yeah, they are actually just shortbread biscuits. They're really cute though. Yeah, we can just open one here. At least the boys can put some tomorrow. So we'll do this lady work. We have gone completely all out there though with it, and we have, I've got my pumpkin plates out. Obviously we have our pumpkin mugs. Obviously all of this is not a sponsor, it's just what we actually just had in the house, and I just thought, yep, I've even got an actual pumpkin here because I'm going to cook pumpkin for tea. So I thought I was like, yeah. So as I said, it's just basic shortbread biscuits, so I'm going to dip mine in my tea because...
Well, I'm going to try both ways, I think.
It's very soft, which is nice.
It's really buttery.
And it's obviously it's got a layer of sugar, like granules on it as well, which obviously makes it quite sweet. But yeah, I actually think it's really nice. I'm gonna put that to the side for a minute. And then we're gonna do the same, I think, with the scones. We don't necessarily need 2 scones each. Scones, whatever you want. So obviously, as I said, these are ghost shaped, which again, they are quite, look how puffy they are. They're actually quite, Alex, I didn't need to do them. So I will say straight off the bat, they're really soft. Like really, really soft. Again though, these just say plain scones, and they contain soy, milk, flour, buttermilk, wheat, egg. So,
Okay, so mark of a good scone. Let's see whether or not I can actually just break it. Should be able to just pull it apart like that, and it should break quite easily. Now, if there is anyone over in America, these are somewhat similar to biscuit. It's just the British version of it. Very similar makeup, just slightly different. But you wouldn't go far wrong if you came across here and had a scone or a scone, and you'd know what you were getting.
I used a knife, I was trusted before. Yeah. So obviously it comes with this, actually with it. I did forget to say actually, so this whole set cost $21.99, and that was including postage, which is really good. And personally, which I actually think is really good, so this bit here, which tells you the steps and stuff, and it actually does, it's more drawn on the bottom of the box, which I'll try and show later, is great because I'm going to give that to my kids later. Wow, kids especially.
Okay, so it's said to us, here are the steps, as we've just said. Step 1, make a smashing cup of tea. We've done that. Now, for the contentious issue, step 2, spread the jam first, then the cream. It's contentious, okay? I understand. I've holidayed a lot in Cornwall. Now this is the Cornish the Hamper from Cornwall, so we are going to do it the Cornish way for this. But I understand in Devon we do it the other way around. And some people like to use the cream as a butter instead and then put the jam on top of that. It's perfectly fine. Both ways are great. It's the same treat at the end of the day. It's going to taste fantastic whatever you do.
I opened the thing. So it comes with 4 little jams. It's just strawberry jam, but it's quite sweet. So they look like this. And they're quite good in the sense of, like, you could use them, like, we're not going to use them right now, but we could use them for travel, like, when we go away and stuff.
Other nice thing is this jam is actually made in Cornwall as well. So it's from Mevagissey, which is down on the southern coast, I believe. Someone can correct me in the comments, I'm sure. But it is locally produced jam. They're really good down in Cornwall for making stuff like this. And again, the tea is the Cornish tea Smuggler's Brew. Again, they do actually get tea leaves in Cornwall. Little known fact, yes, in Britain we do get most of our tea from abroad, but we do grow it as well in certain areas. Cornwall is an area that grows its own tea. It can be quite expensive, but so far seems to be making quite a nice cup. Yeah,
I think, considering I'm a bit of a snob, I will only drink PG Tips.
The speed tea.
Pretty much. I would only drink that, and I'm actually more than happy to drink this. So.
Get a bit of that onto them. Let's see what this is all about then. Oh, okay. Well, okay, you're going to appease other viewers. This is fine.
I just prefer it like this.
This is fine. It's fine. I said it was fine. Unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. Gonna get disowned in Cornwall now.
Let's put more time.
It's nothing if short of us just showing you the options. Let's put it that way. Yeah.
I also have little jam pots, and I know they're supposed to be for a single portion for, like, I suppose they're supposed to be for 2. Actually no, there's 4 pots, isn't there? It's supposed to be a single portion for each scone. So
that's worked out right. Yeah, it's a good. So obviously I've jammed first.
It's actually really sweet.
It's a really good amount.
So this is what mine looks like.
Even.
Pretty much. Kind of just like scattered stuff everywhere.
It's a cream.
The gremlins will clear it up later.
If you've ever had a cream tea in Cornwall or in Devon, anywhere, you'll know that it comes out in a load on a platter normally, and it's just all over the table anyway. So this is really just recreating that experience in your own kitchen. Okay, the big question I normally get is, but how do you not like mix it all up when you do it? And it's all just about careful knife work and spreading. Really?
I'll eat the bottom bit first.
And Eric's decided that he's noticed we're eating food and wants to come in through the kitchen door. He is our cat, not one of our children, don't worry.
Hello, Eric. He's not happy.
I think it's because the monsters are letting him in.
It's actually really, really soft. Like most scones we kind of buy, obviously we buy the pre-made ones in the supermarkets, and they are a little bit more firmer. And these are actually really, really buttery, kind of soft.
Yeah, these are really, really good. I mean, obviously, me, theme park snacks, this isn't my normal, what I'd be talking about at all, but it's great. It's simple as that, it is great. I might sneak Snackie into the video later and give it a 4 out of 4. Don't tell her.
At the end of the day, it is technically, there's got to be a theme park in Cornwall somewhere. So. And
they probably serve the green tea at one. So there you go, there's the tenuous link. 4 out of 4 Snackies.
Actually really, really nice. I didn't doubt that it was going to be nice, but in the sense of, I'm quite shocked how soft they are compared to ones that I said we have pre-bought elsewhere. Even like, I should really make them. I can make most things, so I should really start making them and it'd be so much better.
But I think when you buy in something like this, and certainly it's not cheap when you do think about it, it is $21.99.
No, it is $21.99,
so,
but I don't think that's a bad price for 4 scones. Like if we went to a cafe,
it would cost the same. Yeah, of course.
But that would just cost, I think that would cost the same for 2 scones, this and the jam. That's without the 2 biscuits, the teas and everything else.
Yeah, I suppose. I sort of mean just like buying with your eyes and buying online.
Yeah.
Like, but I suppose they have to be good.
He's just an idiot. He's not the sharpest.
He is not the sharpest tool in the shed.
No.
Bless him.
But no, I think these are really nice. Personally, I think they're really good. I would really, really recommend them. What I'll do is we'll put a link down below in the description as well. Obviously, as we said, it's completely not a sponsor. It's just something that kept coming up on my Facebook, to be honest. And capitalism was popping off and I was like, I'm gonna get that. So yeah, we'll leave a link down below if you want to grab them. They won't necessarily have the Halloween ones, they do at the moment, so if you do want them you have to be pretty quick. But obviously they do other things as well, which is their basics. They do Cornish pasties and other things as well, and that will obviously, excuse me, all be linked in the description as well, so you can grab yourself perhaps something and try it out for yourselves. Honestly, I think they post all around the UK, so that's perfect. But yeah, don't forget to let us know in the comments what you think down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So there will be also a link at the end of the video to both channels, which is my channel and obviously
my channel, which is Theme Park Snacks in Amy's Universe.
Yeah, but I do mainly gaming stuff and obviously hauls, mainly kind of blogs, a lot of different things where he's mainly snack based. In theme parks, but also snack based as in other bits here. But yeah, thank you very much for watching and hopefully we will both see you very soon. So thanks.
Brewing some tea. Probably actually see you dancing in the other mug.